What's up with your world, y'all? This is your favorite germaphobe coming at you from lovely Las Vegas. I'm packing up for the day. I'm going to give you a little behind the scenes look of what goes on when, you know, the cleaning company is out of the way and off premises. Right, so look at that. This is all kinds of hair that we snug up, backed up. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to take this with one hand. Peel this back. Oh, there we go. We're gonna peel this back. Boom, that's why I like these little vacuum bags. We're gonna seal it up. We're gonna pull it out. And then we're gonna throw that away. Right, and that's pretty heavy. It's just full. HEPA filter vacuum bag. Notice it plopped down, no dust came out. It's very important. And the reason why HEPA filter is important is because, or HEPA bag is important, is because, you know, once your vacuum cleaner sucks up that dust, that dirt from the ground or what have you, you don't want it just spewing back into the air, any little particles. So the HEPA filtration does a great job in trapping everything that you're sucking up and not putting it back into the environment. Like I said, we're gonna go throw this away in the trash. So, you know, we're in good shape. Now we're gonna come over here. Your new vacuum bag. And mind you, these vacuum bags cost money, man. Nothing is free in this world, you know what I'm saying? These bags here, anywhere from, $3 to $5 a piece, if I can find them. Alright, so I got the vacuum bags, just so you can check it out. That's what we're looking at. Boom. HEPA bag, Comfort Pro 10 cord. That's what we're working with. Power Flight Comfort Pro. It's super simple. I'm not trying to show you installation. I'm just trying to show you that, there's stuff that goes on behind the scenes here. There's stuff that costs money that you don't see. It's not just all solution, and mind you, this also takes time to do. It's not, and if your time is free, well, you let me know. You can come work for me. You know what I'm saying? If your time is free, you let me know. You come work for me all day. Next time, y'all, it's a little behind the scenes. I'll let you later. Peace.